here is how you can add a person on messages on the iPad. Let me explain the whole thing. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so whenever you open up the Messages app, you can see that we have the active or past chats in the left, but we have the ability to start a new message. So when I tap on the new message icon, you can see that I'm in a new thread and I can add the person to my messages. So if that is the thing which you have in mind, just click on a new message, and into the recipient, you need to fill out the information. So this kind of depends on what you know about that other person. If you have them stored in your contacts, you can type in their name and they are going to show up in here. If you know their phone number, you can as well type that in, and it will also give you the ability to text them, right? So that is another option. If they are using iMessage but are only signed in with an email or are reached by an email address through iMessage, you can as well type in their email address, right? So you can see that it would work the same way as well. So that is pretty simple. However, you should keep in mind that, or you should pay attention to the fact that it might be an iMessage chat or it might be just a regular SMS text message, because you can see right here that if it turns blue, it means that that email address, contact, or phone number is part of the iMessage, so you can send messages over the internet. But if I just type in a random phone number which is not registered on iMessage, it turns it into the green text, right? So it shows it in green, which means that I can only get in touch with them through the text message. So that is the difference between it, but you can add a person to the messages just like that, right? You don't necessarily have to even save them into the contacts. You can just start a new message and type in whatever you know about them, and hopefully you'll be able to get in touch with them. So I hope that I was able to explain it to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.